Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be braiding with a kumihimo disc. Okay, so what we need is a kumihimo disc. You can use just a normal key ring or get one of these lobster clasps that you can clip onto things. And 4 pieces of string that is 36 inches long each. So then, I'm going to use this one. Get your 4 strings, gather them together, put them through the keyring, pull them through so they're in the middle, and tie a knot. So now you'll have 8 strands. Put it through the middle of the disc and we'll have, you put 2 strings at the top. Don't worry about the numbers, they don't mean anything, just ignore them. 2 at the side, it doesn't matter what order you do them in either. 2 at the other side. And 2 down at the bottom. Okay, now what we do is we get the string that's at the bottom and we put it at the top, and we get one from the top and put it to the bottom, and then turn to the next colour, and then one goes up to the top, one goes down and turn to the next colour, one goes up, one goes down, turn. So make sure you always turn the same way, don't turn that way and then next turn that way, always turn the same way, so I'm turning it that way. One goes up, one goes down, next colour. And then also you need to remember that the string stays on the side that it's on. So this string is on this side of the disc, so it stays on this side. Don't put it over there, put it on that side. Same with this one, it's on this side of the disc, keep it on that side, don't put it over there. Turn, up, down, turn, up, down, turn, and then after a little while, it'll look like this. So then what you do is you hold it there and pull the threads off. And then just tie a knot. And there we have it. And it's got this cute little tassel at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything else you would like to see me make.